So throughout the National Forest, there are a lot of these sites littered throughout the National Forest. So yeah, that's Oconee County over there, and that's Lang Lake County over there, Lang Lake Trail System. And then that brings you back down Salt Spring Road. So yeah, let's move on. Let's go to the next dispersed sites. What's up, everyone? How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. And I just stopped off at one of the many dispersed campsites within the Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest region in northeast Wisconsin. And this part of the National Forest is split between the north and the south area, southern part being the Lakewood area, northern being the Leona area. In this video, I'm going to focus on the Lakewood area and all the dispersed campsites in that region. I'm going to go through, I'm going to map them out. I'm going to show you what they look like, and I'm going to show you where they are in the map. I'm going to explain if they cost anything, where you can pay that. And then I'm going to explain just some specifics, if they have a campfire ring, if they have picnic table, a bathroom. And I'm even going to as far as, well, I have Verizon, so my phone carrier might not be the same as yours, but I'm going to go into if there's cell phone signal here. Some people, they want to know about that. And I'm going to show you just a little bit of all the campsites. So in this video, we are going to look at all of the sites in the Lakewood area of the Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest region. So let's go do it. All right, before we get going, do you need to pay at a site or don't you need to pay? It's very easy. All you have to do is find the fee area. So if it says fee area, that means that is a $5 charge per night for each of those sites. It will also have a little placard with instructions on here, very easy to read, tell you the name of the site, tell you where to pay for it, and any other information you might need. If it does not have one of those signs right there that says fee area, it costs $0. It's free to camp. You can pull up and go ahead and camp. That being said, follow along. Let's go and let's check out all the dispersed campsites. Farr Lake. Farr Lake is located in the southeast region of Mountain, Wisconsin. It can be accessed by taking the Pipeline Road north from Highway 64 or east on County Road W from Mountain. Two sites are situated on the end of the Forest Road Service 2107, with an additional site on the north end of the lake on Bachman Road. Each campsite has a picnic table, fire ring, and a vault toilet, and costs $5 per night, payable at the Bear Paw boat launch. Cell phone signal is limited. Bear Paw Lake, located east of Mountain, Wisconsin. It can be accessed by taking County Road W east from Mountain to National Forest Road 2630. This location offers 7 dispersed campsites, each with a fire ring, picnic tables, and vault toilets. Each site costs $5 per night, which is payable at the Bear Paw boat landing. The boat landing offers a bathroom building and is the location for the payment for Farr Lake campsites, and the location of site number 7 along the lake. Cell phone signal is minimum to medium. Nelligan Lake. Nelligan Lake is located east of Mountain, Wisconsin. It can be accessed by taking County Road W east from Mountain to Nelligan Lake Road. There are 5 sites in total, each with a picnic table, fire ring, and a vault toilet. There is a developed vault toilet at the boat launch, and the fee to camp at Nelligan Lake is free. Waupee Flowage. Waupee Flowage is located east of Mountain, Wisconsin. This dispersed site can be accessed by taking County Road W to Grindle Lane. The site offers one site located next to the boat landing. There are no facilities at Waupee Flowage, but there is a fire pit and a picnic table. Cell phone signal is medium. Now we make our way to the southwestern region where we find the Mountain Lakes dispersed area. The Mountain Lake sites can be accessed by taking Highway 64 to the Mountain Lakes Road South. There are 5 sites along the road, with the first and last site offering free camping, vault toilets, a campfire ring, and a picnic table. The 3 campsites along the lake are $5 a night and offer picnic tables as well as a fire ring and a vault toilet. Each site can be paid for at the barrier-free campsite on County Road T, and cell phone signal is minimum. Trickle Creek. Trickle Creek offers 2 sites along the south branch of the Oconee River. To access the sites, follow County Road W west from Mountain or east from Markton to Mountain Lake Road North. Each site offers easy access to the river as well as a fire pit ring, picnic table, and vault toilet. Cell phone signal is minimal to none. Old Grave Road. The Old Grave Road dispersed sites can be accessed by either taking County Road T south from Highway 64 or north from County Road W. The two initial dispersed sites both cost $5 per night and are payable at the barrier-free dispersed site. These sites have picnic tables, fire rings, and vault toilets. Further into the woods, along the trail, there are 3 more sites. Each site also costs $5 per night, payable at the barrier-free site as well. 2 are walk-in sites along the south branch of the Oconto River, both with vault toilets, fire pits, and one with a picnic table. The final campsite is located at the end of Old Grave Road. Cell phone signal is limited to minimal service. Barrier-free. The barrier-free dispersed campsites are accessible by following County Road T north from County Road W or south from Highway 64. They are a more developed set of sites offering 2 handicap accessible campsites near the barrier-free fishing trail and offering picnic tables, fire pit rings, and a developed bathroom. This location is also the pay site for the Old Grave Road campsites as well as the Mountain Lake campsites. Cell phone signal is limited to no service. Perch Lake. Perch Lake is one of the more secluded dispersed camping areas. It can be accessed by taking Highway 64 to National Forest Service Road 2118 to Forest Service Road 2956. Your vehicle should be built for off-road as the route is demanding. There are 2 sites, both offering a picnic table and ring. If you're looking for seclusion, this is a great spot. Both sites are free to camp and cell phone signal is minimal. If you like off-roading and you want to do some climbing and lots of ruts and mud and be very, very remote, that's the spot, Perch Lake. All right, so we just got to the top of that steep hill and I just stopped at this scenic overlook. As you can see, you can kind of see a lot of the national forest, but I wanted to stop here because as you can see behind me, there is just a random campsite. So throughout the national forest, there are a lot of these sites littered throughout the national forest. So I'm going to try to map each of these and just kind of show you where they're at. These aren't actually established dispersed campsites, but they're great to just stop off on if you're trail riding. So I'm going to map this and we're going to continue on to Wischer Lake. Wischer Lake. Wischer Lake is located just northeast of Langlade and can be accessed by following Salt Spring Road to Forest Road 2236Q. It has a fire ring, single bench, and is free to camp. Cell phone service is medium. All right, everyone. So I just got through a couple of dispersed sites. I just wanted to stop off the side of the trail and kind of show you this because this is kind of how the trails run. They'll end up converging in these T intersections or multiple convergence, but I want to show you that sign right there. And the reason being is if you are not really an avid off-roader or somebody who goes overlanding a lot and you just want to come out here and camp, these signs right here really are helpful if you do not have offline maps. So what you can see right here is that they put the map up. A lot of these off-roading ATV clubs, they will put these maps up and show things like gas. There's gasoline there. We're right in here right now. But they also, advertise for things that are coming up. They might give you some information on how much things cost and just little things like that. But I just wanted to show you that. And since we're right by a dispersed site and I just happened to stop right here. So yeah, that's Oconto County over there. And that's Langlade County over there, Langlade Trail System. And then that brings you back down Salt Spring Road. So yeah, let's move on. Let's go to the next dispersed sites. Jesse Lake. Jesse Lake is located north of Langlade and can be accessed by taking Highway 55 to Sawyer Lake Road to Forest Road 2122. A short walk through the woods takes you to 2 backpacking sites. Both have a fire ring and a vault toilet and do not have picnic tables. Both are free to camp and cell phone service is minimal. Fanny Lake. Fanny Lake is a backpack dispersed camping area. It is accessible by taking County Road T from Townsend south or north from State Highway 64. The parking area is located across from Boot Lake Campground. It is approximately 1/4 mile hike to the lake, where 5 campsites are located around the lake along the trail. Each campsite has picnic tables, a vault toilet, campfire rings, and costs $5 per night. This location is also part of the Jones Spring area. Cell phone signal is minimum to none. All right, so look what I found, some blackberries right here. Look at all of those. You can just grab these and eat them. But with a lot of blackberries, usually come black bears. And this area is very well known for that. So what I like to do is when I'm hiking out here, I like to make enough noise. Usually black bears, they're not that aggressive. They're only going to be aggressive if you end up spooking them. So if you come up around the corner, they don't know you're there, and you spook them, they will probably react. So make sure when you're hiking, make sure that you are making enough noise, not just black bear, but just animals in general. Skunk and porcupine and things like that. You don't want to spook anything. So make enough noise when you're hiking and stay safe. Hiwanka Lake. Hiwanka Dispersed area is one of the more remote locations and one of the more difficult to access. The road to the trail can be accessed by taking Ada Lake Camp Road from Highway 32 south of Carter and north of Townsend. Forest Service Road 2996 is a short road leading to a turnaround, where parking is available for vehicles not equipped for off-road. This demanding trail requires a vehicle equipped for off-road capabilities with high clearance 4-wheel drive. There is one dispersed site on the lake. Cell phone signal is minimum, but this remote location is beautiful. Lincoln Lake. Lincoln Lake is a very primitive site located northeast of Townsend, Wisconsin. It can be accessed by taking Pickerel Lake Road to Forest Road 2341B. The site is at the end of the road on the turnaround and provides no fire pit ring, bathroom, or picnic table. Cell phone signal is medium. Knowles Dam South. The South Knowles Dam is located north of Lakewood, Wisconsin. It can be accessed by taking Highway 32 from Lakewood North to the North Road. Follow to Forest Service Road 2598. Knowles South Dam provides 3 primitive campsites near the Oconto River with fire pit rings, but without tables or bathrooms. Cell phone service is medium. Old 32. The Old 32 sites are located east of Lakewood, Wisconsin on Old Highway 32. These sites can be accessed by following County Road F from Lakewood to Old 32 Road. There are 3 dispersed campsites along the McCaslin Brook. Each have fire rings, picnic tables, and a vault toilet. They cost $5 per night, payable at the Wheeler Lake Beach 5 miles north of the sites. Cell phone service is none. Wayne King. The Wayne King Dispersed site is conveniently hidden just northeast of Lakewood, Wisconsin. It can be accessed by taking County Road F east from Lakewood to a short driveway north of Waupee Lake boat launch. Look for the gate. This walk-in site offers a picnic table, a fire pit ring, and medium cell phone service. Knowles Creek Dispersed. Knowles Creek Dispersed is located north of Lakewood, Wisconsin, and can be accessed by taking County Road F east from Lakewood to Knowles Creek Road west. This site offers a picnic table, fire pit ring, a vault toilet, and cell phone signal is medium. Long Lake. Long Lake Dispersed site is located north of Lakewood, Wisconsin. It can be accessed by taking County Road F east from Lakewood, Wisconsin to Knowles Creek Road west. This site offers a picnic table, fire pit ring, and vault toilet. Cell phone service is minimum to medium. Knowles Dam North. This dispersed campsite is situated on the Oconto River and can be accessed by taking County Road F east from Lakewood to Knowles Creek Road west. It offers a picnic table, fire pit ring, and vault toilet. Cell phone service is medium. Turtle Lake. Turtle Lake is north of Lakewood and east of Waupee, Wisconsin. It can be accessed by taking Knowles Creek Road to Forest Road 2668. This dispersed campsite offers a fire pit ring, picnic table, and a vault toilet. Cell phone service is minimal. What a blast. That was awesome. I loved going down all of those trails, finding all those sites. It was like a scavenger hunt, trying to find all these dispersed campsites. Thank you for following along. Hopefully you learned a bit and hopefully you got some ideas on where you might want to go dispersed camping. Hopefully you get a chance to come out here and enjoy it like I do. Now, this is the first video of the 2 videos. I'm currently in the southern region, in the Lakewood region of the Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest. The next video is going to cover all of the dispersed sites in the Leona, the northern region of the National Forest. So go ahead and watch that video as well. And remember, if you're coming out here, these dispersed sites are not managed every single day. So make sure that you do not break anything, destroy anything, and take care of them. And make sure that you pick up all your garbage, whatever you bring out here, you take it with you when you leave so that everybody else can enjoy these sites. But I had a blast and hopefully you did. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, chime in and let me know if I missed any of the sites. I know there's some out here that are just randomly set out here that are not on National Forest Service site. If you know of one and you want to share it, go ahead, jump on the comments and let me know. If you got any comments or any questions about any of these campsites, let me know as well. And until then, I'll see you on the next adventure.